Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog life jackets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ruffwear Float Coat. A good dog life jacket needs to fit well, offer superior flotation, and be something your pet will actually wear. The Ruffwear Float Coat does that, and more. This life jacket has a specialized design with a telescoping neck closure that allows dogs to move freely, raising the odds that your pup will wear it for longer periods of time without protest. The life jacket is made with a mix of soft foam and padded panels to lower the risk of chafing. There are also enhanced features for safety, like a handle that's easy to grab but that isn't so high it's likely to get caught on things. This life jacket has reflective trim and even an extra loop for an LED light for enhanced visibility in dim conditions. A leash attachment allows you to walk your dog right to the dock, and you can choose from 3 easy-to-spot colors. Once the fun is over, this life jacket can be tossed in the wash. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Outward Hound Granby Splash Dog Life Jacket. This Amazon bestseller starts at just $16, which is a tough price to beat. The Outward Hound Granby Splash covers all the basics most dog owners are looking for, including 3 adjustable straps with buckles to help create a snug fit, as well as to get your dog in and out easily. While all of the life jackets on this list have a grab handle, this brand thoughtfully designed its larger vests with 2 of them to make it easier to hoist your dog as needed. The whole thing is covered in ripstop material to lower the risk it will accidentally get shredded. Choose from a series of fun, bright colors. At number 3, we have the EasyDog Premium Doggy Flotation Device. Sizing is important with a dog life vest, and it's crucial to find one that can keep your pet afloat on demand. The EasyDog Premium Doggy Flotation Device supports dogs over 90 pounds, making it a good option for most larger breeds. This life jacket features a contoured neck float, with 2 adjustable straps that encircle the chest and stomach to create a snug, comfortable fit. The jacket comes in either yellow or red and features a grab handle as well as a leash attachment. While the color options are bold, reflective piping makes it easier to see your dog in dimmer lighting. EasyDog has very detailed information about sizing, raising the odds you'll get the right fit from the start. At number 2, we have the Paws Aboard Dog Life Jacket. Life jackets typically have a minimum weight they can support, with some starting at 15 pounds or more. The Paws Aboard Dog Life Jacket can fit dogs as small as 2 pounds, making it a great choice for tiny breeds. This life vest has enhanced padding around the chest, as well as a thick belly strap to keep your pet secured and lower the risk they'll slip out. It also comes in 8 colors and patterns, including fun nautical and flame designs. The vest has a ring so you can clip a leash to walk your dog to the water, as well as a top handle for lifting your pet. And finally, at number 1, we have the ZippyPaws Adventure Life Vest. Puppies grow fast, making it important to buy a life jacket that will support them now and in a month or 2. The ZippyPaws Adventure Life Vest works for dogs as small as 5 pounds, making it a good fit for most breeds. But it also offers high adjustability thanks to 2 straps around the belly and 1 at the chest, raising the odds you'll get extra mileage out of this life jacket. The jacket has a generous handle on top to help lift your new swimmer in and out of the water, along with reflective stripes for easy spotting. Enhanced padding around the chest is designed to keep your pet comfortable in and out of the water. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.